Welcome to Theories and Experiments. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important discoveries in genetics, Mendel's laws of inheritance. Mendel was an Austrian monk who lived from 1822 to 1884. He was the first to uncover the scientific basis of heredity, and his theories laid the groundwork for today's understanding of genetics. Gregor Mendel's genetic discoveries revolutionized our understanding of the world. His work overturned the common beliefs of the time and laid the foundation for the establishment of his rules. Mendel studied the genetic traits of pea plants, such as the form of the ripe seed, color of the seed coat, flower color, form of the ripe pods, color of the unripe pods, position of the flowers, and the length of the stem. He conducted experiments by carefully cross-breeding these plants and noticed a pattern. The traits of the offspring were not a mix of the two parents, but rather one trait was dominant over the other. He called these biological traits, factors, now known as genes and alleles. Mendel's work showed that when gametes are produced, the alleles of a gene pair separate randomly. When sperm and egg unite at fertilization, each contributes its own allele, restoring the paired condition in the offspring. He also discovered that different traits have independent assortment, meaning that genes are unlinked. Mendel's breakthrough showed us that biological traits are determined by genes and are passed down from one generation to the next. His discoveries have given us a better understanding of how genetic traits are inherited, allowing us to better predict their outcomes. So, what are Mendel's laws of inheritance? Mendel's first law, the law of segregation, states that an organism's traits are determined by pairs of genes, one inherited from each parent. These genes are then randomly separated during gamete production and recombined during fertilization. This is what explains the variety of traits in offspring. The second law, the law of independent assortment, states that the inheritance of one trait has no effect on the inheritance of another trait. For example, eye color is inherited independently from other traits, such as hair color. Mendel's work was revolutionary at the time, and it provided an understanding of how traits were passed on from generation to generation. These findings made a huge impact on our current understanding of genetics. Mendel's laws of inheritance are still relevant today and are used to understand and predict inherited traits, and to study genetic diseases and disorders. By understanding and applying Mendel's laws, we can better understand how traits are passed down through generations and how to predict the probability of a trait being inherited. Mendel's laws of inheritance remain an important part of the study of biology today, as they are the foundation of modern genetics. Although some of the details have been modified to reflect our current understanding of genetic information, Mendel's work still provides an invaluable framework for understanding how genetic information is passed from generation to generation. We hope that this video has helped you better understand the importance of Mendel's laws of inheritance and the impact they have had on modern genetics. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Theories and Experiments for more videos.